Welcome to the wonderful Alphabet Zoo. The animals are here and the alphabet too. Listen to the noisy hullabaloo at the wonderful, marvelous Alphabet Zoo.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Alphabet Adventure with me, Aja. Today, let's visit our friend Mama Monkey and see what she's up to. Let's go! Hello Mama Monkey!
Hello, Aja!
Hi Mama Monkey! What are you up to today?
I want to cook a meal. I feel like eating meatball mushroom pasta.
Meatball mushroom pasta! Sounds yummy Mama Monkey!
But I'm not exactly sure of the ingredients that I need to cook the meal. What do you think I will need to cook the meal?
Meatball mushroom pasta. Friends, do you know what we need to cook meatball mushroom pasta? You do? Great! Alright, so first, Mama Monkey, we need the pasta. That's right. So we are going to need to boil the pasta first. Let's use the macaroni for this meal. Mama Monkey, do you have some macaroni?
Macaroni? I have a bag of macaronis. Here you go.
Alright, thank you, Mama Monkey. Macaroni, let's boil the pasta first. Okay, and what else do we need? We need the meatballs, that's right, meatballs. Mama Monkey, meatballs too, please.
Meatballs, meatballs, meatballs. Here you go.
Alright, meatballs into the pot. And what else do we need, Ken? Meatball mushroom pasta. Mushroom, that's right. Mama Monkey, do you have some mushrooms?
I have some mushrooms. Let me look for my mushrooms. It's right here, mushroom.
Alright, mushroom into the pot it goes. And last but not least, do you have some milk, Mama Monkey?
Milk? I have some milk in here. Milk, milk, milk. Here it goes. Milk.
Alright, very nice. Milk. Now let's cook them all up together. Cook, cook, cook. Let's add a pinch of salt and pepper. And you're done. It's your meal, Mama Monkey. Meatball mushroom pasta.
Hooray! Thank you, Aja. Let's eat.
Oh, Mama Monkey. I don't think we can eat the meal right now. Look at all the mess that you made here. We need to clean the mess first before we eat our meal, Mama Monkey.
Oops. Yeah, it is a little messy. We should clean up the mess.
Yes, that's right. Friends, why don't we help Mama Monkey clean up the mess before we have our meal, okay? Alright, here, grab yourself a mop and we're going to mop and clean the mess up. Ready? It's clean up time, clean up time. Alright, looking very clean already. Good job, friends. Good job, Mama Monkey. High five. Alright, and now we have cleaned up the mess. I think we can eat the meal. Right? Oh, but before that, we need to wash our hands first, Mama Monkey. Friends, let's wash our hands first before we have our meal, okay? Alright, let's go wash our hands.
Of course, I can't wait to eat the meal.
Yay, let's wash our hands. Friends, just now we met Mama Monkey. And the letter that was on Mama Monkey was the letter M. M for Mama Monkey. And letter M makes the sound I got the letter M for Mama Monkey. Letter M for Mama Monkey. Letter M for Mama Monkey. M for Mama Monkey. M makes a sound M makes a sound M makes a sound M goes Okay, today we are going to make mango milkshake. And over here I have my mango and milk. Okay, we are going to pour everything into the jar and blend them all together to make our mango milkshake. Ready, ready, ready. Are you ready? Go! Have the mango. Okay, wait up. Mango. And milk. I think this is enough milk, right? And we're going to blend it up all together. There we go. pour it into a cup. You can try it at home too, everyone. Grab yourself some mangoes and milk and blend them all together. Good luck! Bye!
Welcome to the wonderful Alphabet Zoo. The animals are here and the alphabet too. Listen to the noisy hullabaloo at the wonderful, marvelous Alphabet Zoo. Welcome to the wonderful Alphabet Zoo. The animals are here and the alphabet too. Listen to the